Hi, Sarah here. I am back with a haul video today and it's actually bonfire night, so not such a bright idea because there's loads of fireworks going off, but I want to get it done so that I can start using it. So this is the November, November Mind the Scrap kit. And without further ado, I'll open up and show you what I got. So in here I have the mixed media kit, the Bujo kit, there goes a firework, hopefully I'll be able to minimise that noise when I edit the video, the main kit, the embellishment add-on and some extra cardstock. I always get extra black cardstock because I go through a lot of it, so I'll get everything out and show you what is in this month's kits. So first off, I have these black cardstocks. I get a pack of 5 and they're really good quality thick card, and I'm just going to put them down like this so that I get rid of the glare from the glass mat before I carry on. So there is my cardstocks. Next up, the main kit. First off, we have a piece of black cardstock. We have one white and we also have a beautiful coral colour. I don't know if it has the name of the colour on it. I can't read it. It's a basil one and it's textured. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not. My lighting is getting a bit bad. I need to get some new lighting really, but it's all a bit expensive. So next up we have the papers. First off, from Vicky Bouton's Storyteller collection we have Free Spirit, which has beautiful watercolour and ombre kind of effect and splashes on one side, and then on the reverse we have a lovely black with a faded stripe through it and lots of distressed areas to it, and a nice branding strip on that too. Next we have from Echo Park our wedding collection. This is Forever Floral, which is a lovely vintage, that same peachy coral colour running through the flowers, as you can see on that wood grain. And then on the reverse is lots of cute little flower window boxes. Next, from Pink Fresh Studio, Days of Splendour, this one's called Graceful Heart. So we've got this lovely scripty font with really muted, toned, highlighted words on there. And then the reverse of that is a lovely kind of retro-y style floral design in a nice mint green, with that peachy tones and like a vintagey yellow, mustardy yellow, a bit darker maybe. So there is that one. Next we have from Crepe Paper, Marigold collection. This one's called Magical Moments, and on one side we have the star signs there, or I can't remember what you call it when it's like that. You know what I mean. And on the other side we have some cut parts, so lots of different sayings there with lots of different fonts and some nice little floral doodles as well. So no doubt I'll be using this side, seeing as my boy adores space, so I'm sure I'll find a photo to go with that. And finally, I love this one. I can hardly ever get hold of any music kind of paper. This one is Crepe Paper Marigold and it's called High Note. So it has this manuscript on one side, and then the reverse we have this quite a bubblegum kind of pink with a faded pastely pink in these messy circles. So that is our papers and cardstock from the main kit. Also, we have finally this specialty paper. This one is gold foil on printed vellum. I'll take it out of this because it's glaring quite a lot. So this is from the Storyteller collection as well by Vicky Booten, and as you can see, it's got loads of beautiful foil on there, lots of circles with a grid behind it. The camera may or may not pick that up. It's like a mint coloured grid through the vellum. It's a nice sort of vintage but with a bit of a modern twist to it. I really like this Storyteller collection. It's gorgeous, and I think there are some more in these kits somewhere, I believe, as well. So also in the main kit we have this big 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and it's Simple Stories I Am collection, and it's got a nice border at the bottom, some tiny word stickers, and then lots of lovely elements. There's tons and tons and tons of little stickers to use as embellishments. Lots of florals on there. That same mustard is in there, and the green and the pastel corally shade is in there too. Again, from Vicky Booten Storyteller, we have the ephemera embellishments, and there's 50 pieces in here. I won't get them out because I'll lose half of them in my messy room. So instead I'll just slowly show you what's in the pack on the back. I love that rainbowy butterfly, that's gorgeous. And then on the front you can see the general size of them there. They're about, that bird's probably about 2.5 inches maybe. So there's lots and lots. There's long word ones there as well. That must be like the banners on the back there. So we have those two. And finally we have this beautiful scripty font soft gold thicker set, which is called Delightful. And I am doing really badly with using thickers recently. I don't seem to be getting them on a page. I end up just using like the stickers and ephemera with words on from the title. So I'm going to try and make an effort to make more titles up, because I think I'm just being lazy, to be honest. So I'm going to try and use these because they are stunning. So that is the main kit. Next up I'll show you the embellishment add-on. First off we have another big 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This one is by Simple Stories, and it's the Simple Vintage Coastal Collection. Now it is summery, but the actual colours and everything will work really well with the colours within this as well. I remember Emma mentioning that when she was doing the reveal. So we've got lots of lovely elements. There's like wooden bits, there's nice, it's got a nice slightly vintage kind of look to it, and there's just loads and loads of big banners that are just beautiful. So I look forward to using that. I love that tiny heart. It's like, I think it's like made from like a ticket or something. So there is that in the embellishment add-on. Next up we have from Days of Splendour an absolute ton of florals. That's from Pink Fresh Studio, and there's 60 pieces here. Again, I won't open it, but I'll just slowly show what's in the packet. As you can see, absolutely loads and loads of flowers and leaves, and these are all in nice vintage tones which will match in perfectly as well. So we have those, and finally in the embellishment add-on we have these cute stars from the Storyteller collection. They're little puffy stickers with lots of different black and white, or sort of black and more of a vintagey creamy white colour, and some teeny tiny ones and some bigger ones. And the backing as well could probably be used as well behind the star with the watercolour effect on there. So that is the embellishment add-on. Next up I'll show you the Bujo. First off, in our Bujo kit we have these lovely vintage coloured alpha stickers, and they're lovely small ones. Again, I really need to try and use these because they're always such lovely alphas that and I just forget to use them every time. And these are Days of Splendor Mini Alphabet by Pinkfresh Studio. Just works so well, even though it's across two different collections. Next we have our paper pad, and this is the Vicky Bouton, yay again, Storyteller collection. I just adore it. So I will quickly undo this and give it a quick flip through, only quickly though, because obviously I don't want this video to go on too long. Okay, so we have, these are double-sided, and they're 6 by 8 inches, and there's 24 sheets with 12 designs. So we have cut aparts, some lovely birds and leaves, some journaling spots there, florals, some feathers, flowers. Oh, I love that one. Loads of ripped pieces there. Nice scripty font there. Some circles and rainbows. The constellation, that's the one. Have fun. Like 5 minutes later. And then this is the pattern just repeating again. Ooh, that's a lovely colour. Don't often see that in collections recently. So that is the paper pad in the Bouger kit. So we have the alphabet, stickers, the paper pad. We also have these stars from Heidi Swap. They're 38 pieces, and these are the designs. They're acrylic, but that's the designs on them. As you can see, try not to get the glare. So we have those, and finally we have this sequin mix which Emma put together for us, with lots of different shapes in there, nice and sparkly bits, some lovely stars, some circle navy blue ones, some bright yellow with an iridescent shimmer on them. So we have that sequin mix as well. So that was the Bouger kit. Finally, last but definitely not least, especially for me, we have the mixed media add-on. So this month we have, first off, this tag journal, also from the Storyteller collection by Vicky Bouton, and it has all the elements to put together the journal inside. I'll open it. So in here we have really thick board, and it's already coated with paper. So instead of having to get your chipboard or grey board and coating it, you already have it done there. And so there's that large one there, really sturdy ones. There's this one, it's a banner shaped one, and we also have a pocket page with an insert there. We have this one with a beautiful design with little holes in down the side. We have this gorgeous die cut with the hole at the top there. We have these lovely frames, and we have this ticket. And the small elements, we have this typewriter which opens up to where you can add journaling or a photo, which is double-sided. We have this journaling spot here. We have this ticket. We have this die cut that says story. All of them have the little hole at the top, and then finally this gorgeous shaker piece with lots of iridescent pieces in there. And then of course, as I said, there is the ring to put it together, so that's going to be super interesting. I can't wait to have a go at putting that together. Next we have this Heidi Swap Colour Shine in Sweet Mint. There's the colour there. You give it a good shake and it comes up nice and shimmery, and it works well on black and white paper. And finally we have these exciting things. I think they are like gilding flakes, so you add adhesive and rub them over the top and they stick to like tacky glue. says on the back, sprinkle flakes and wet paintings all combined with glue to create your own custom mix. And there's 4 beautiful colours there. I might have to hoard them ready for December daily, and possibly that one. In fact, I might end up hoarding them all. No, I will try and use them on some of my layouts. But you can see they're really gorgeous colours, and I think they are going to work just like gilding flakes. And they are from Colourpop Magic. I believe it's it's an American crafts company. And that is everything. So thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what I make using these gorgeous kits, then do make sure you are subscribed. And if you have enjoyed this little bit of a haul video, then please give me a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!